I'm Matt Burney. I'm here at the Marc School of Woodworking and Time-Honored Craft, and I'm sitting in a chair that we made in a class here at the school as a demonstration over the course of several days. It's made from old tools that I took out of Doug's toolbox when he wasn't looking, and we assembled them together, and they're all welded in place. We formed an edge, and it's modeled after the exact same shape as some of the chairs that are on the patio outside. This took about 2 days for us to make with the class. So where we started, we found a chair, the most comfortable chairs we could find at the school, and we made a sheet metal replica of that chair and used that as a mold. We laid all our metal tools on the mold, and that held them in place while we welded them together. We always try to triangulate our welds to build strength, and we used, as the back legs, we used some really big wrenches that we bent down to be the back legs here, so we heated those up and bent them until we got just the right angle. I'm Matt Burney. Thanks for watching. This is the Chair of Tools.